That's not normal. Hi, I'm AD Dolphin, and this is The Healthy Normal, the show where we answer your questions about your body and how it's supposed to work. Today, we're looking at your blood pressure, what's wrong, and how to fix it.
Number 1.
The real question is, do you check your blood pressure? If not, your organs could be destroyed. High blood pressure is the silent assassin. Yes, it can kill you. You need to pay attention to this. And guess what? The only signs that you will see are headaches, consistent headaches. But if you don't get it checked out, it can lead to a heart attack. How can this happen? Yes, your blood pressure can seriously destroy your organs. It hardens your blood vessels and starves your organs. It can cause stroke, aneurysms, heart failure, kidney disease, and much more. I'm going to show you how to stay safe 2 years after you're 18 and every year after you're 40. Have that pressure checked.
Number 2.
It was a dark and stormy night. It's looking for you. It's behind you. And you know who it was? You know who's out there? The silent assassin. It's actually out
to blind you. Yes, it can blind you also.
One of the telltale signs is that eerie floating spot. Yes, every time you blink your eyes, if you're seeing that darkness, that floating spot, you may be in danger. No blood, no sight. And that's not all. High blood pressure can cause hemorrhaging in your eye, outside your eye, behind your eye. It's everywhere. Wait, it's behind me. The fix is in. Yes, there's always a way that you can get better, you guys. It's usually through healthy lifestyle. Eat less salt. Get regular exercise. Limit your drinking or stop altogether, but definitely stop smoking and maintain a healthy weight. Just those changes can lower your blood pressure between 10 to 20 points. If there's a will, there's a way. You can do this. Just change. And there are healthier choices out there. Check for the Dherbs Full Body Cleanse. It works. Yes, it does. That's all for today. And I'm AD Dolphin. This is The Healthy Normal. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And I'll see you guys next week.
Melody, come on out.
While I was doing this cleanse, what it taught me about me was the fact to just love me. It taught me how to love me.